Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a hard drive or SSD that shows the error message. The request could not be performed because of an I/O device error. Now, this method will work only if the drive is not physically damaged. If the hard drive or SSD is still detectable by your computer, then this solution can help you fix it and make it usable again. Alright, let's dive in. First, connect the hard drive or SSD to your PC. Once it's connected, right-click on the Start menu and open Disk Management. Here you can see Disk 1, which is the drive with the problem. When I right-click and try to initialize the disk, I get the error message. The request could not be performed because of an I/O device error. To fix this, we'll use a free and trusted tool called AOMEI Partition Assistant. Now, open your browser and download AOMEI Partition Assistant Free Edition. I'll leave the official download link in the video description below. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer and follow the on-screen steps to install it. After installation, launch the software. When AOMEI opens, locate Disk 1, which is the problematic drive. Right-click on it and select Rebuild MBR. In the drop-down menu, make sure you select Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, then click OK. Now, go to the top left corner and click the Apply button. Click Proceed, then Confirm by clicking OK. The software will now start rebuilding the MBR. This process only takes a short time, so please wait until it finishes. Once you see the confirmation message, the process is complete. At this point, you can go back to Disk Management, initialize the drive again, and start using it normally. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the I/O device error and restored access to your hard drive or SSD. This method is simple, beginner-friendly, and works well when the issue is caused by a corrupted partition, or MBR, not physical damage. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and share it with anyone who might need it. If you have questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.